Hello, classmates and professor. My name is Leah Painter, and I recently turned 19 last Saturday, which is cool, I guess. I have a sister. She's 20 years old. She goes to Saginaw Valley State University up in Saginaw to study social work with her best friend, Caitlin, whom we call Barbie. I live with my parents, Regina and Scott, in Novi, and my three animals, my husky boxer mix Casper, my chihuahua Snickers, and our cat Miley. I am attending Schoolcraft to get my associates in general studies. That way I can transfer to Eastern, hopefully, and get my degree in criminal justice to become a parole officer. I've always kind of been interested in criminal justice, and being a parole officer recently came to me because I feel that those who go to jail, not all of them should be branded as terrible people. Like, some of them need redemption and get back to the life that they once had because they're not all monsters. Some of them might have done like little things and they're branded their entire life, which I think is crazy. So hopefully when I become a parole officer, I can help those people and help them get their lives back on track. I'm really into horror movies, if you couldn't tell by the poster in the background. I've been watching them since I was 2 years old. Yes, I know that's crazy, but my parents let me, and I think that helped me in life because I'm a lot more cautious than a lot of other people. I'm also really into tattoos. I currently have four. I started when I was 16 and a half, which is really nice, and they're very addicting and kind of expensive, so don't think about going to get a tattoo if you don't have a lot of money in your pocket. I also really like oldies, if you can tell from that poster. I'm really into Elvis Presley, and I really like old cars. I have an old car collection. And my favorite movies is The Outsiders, which is the 1983 movie. And if you haven't seen it, definitely go see it. If you haven't read the book, definitely read the book. It's totally worth it. Thank you!